In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SimpleCrew for sign marketing. If you're interested in using SimpleCrew for tracking signs, you're probably starting to notice that holding your sign placers accountable for their work through phone calls, text messages, or even blind trust just isn't good enough. You don't know where and when the signs were posted, and you need some kind of system to stay on top of everything. And that's what SimpleCrew is. It's one organized place for you to make sure your signs are where they need to be through photo uploads and Google Mapping. Now, let me show you how it works. This is a project for sign marketing in Seattle. Now, the value here is that you can see when and where every sign was posted and who posted them. You don't even have to talk to your sign placer to know that they did their job. You can just see it in the app and justify paying them. Super simple. And you know your signs are out there getting you leads all from your phone or computer. This is just one project of many, all running at the same time with different groups of people. If you're interested in using signs to market your business, SimpleCrew can make your life a lot easier. So I really want you to take a 2-week free trial. If you don't like it, you can leave. If you like it, you can stay.